And then come on, you know, you be sa why Ghanaian clubs struggle in CAF interclub competitions. And you know who in common now be see baby. Have we gotten to the point in Africa, or not just in Africa, in football, where money is a big factor? If you have the financial muscle, you have an edge over your competitors.
Yes, Ahona Nanka, Misha Sifi, and Michianu Adams. Sika, Ena, and they are the bigger problem over football in terms of club performance. Now, Yanko Yechina 2011-2012, when Bekum Chelsea, make it dominant. Na share Ejuma, Mr. Tremier, he was able to sign Solomon Asante, Glass Nawako, and Nesua, or to me signing almost all the best players our Ghanaian clubs name. Inti Otobia, and at that time, has no kotoko players are on Bekum Chelsea between our ton, has no kotoko muntuminto. Now, the investment including the likes of Emmanuel Clottey, Omoko CAF Champions League no mono. Omoko do baby, Emma, all these players now for so ba omosono. Omo Tony na esanya musika. Now, Ubebisa on say enough African club, Obeko Africa, no attorney players ni na no. Inti one of the challenges Hani said clubs na empesa mobe invest bibli. Now, Dreams FC could do the second semi-final, second leg of the CAF Confederation Cup last year. Nana player back up and away near the field of Africa, John Entry. Far from goalkeeper Solomon Agbasi, the other complement here, Augustine Kumsin, Emmanuel Eje, Godfred Kingsley Tuahine, Abdel Aziz, Ejeni Boate Mensah. Omuni na near the field of Africa. But with John Entry Nkwan, should be could do ye. So you can imagine, say, the Dreams FC, the Sikabibri, Ashimu, Akofabe, 5-6 players are more Africa experience. Omuko do the second semi-final, Omuko bo draw, outside Ghana, Samba, Kumasi Bebo second leg. No, the experience could have given them the edge over opponent.
Okay.
Into one, Sikasem, the major problem. Now, when Samatex were going to participate in the CAF Champions League, the player, Imana Kayeke, the player said Yusuf Dauda, I want to me keep you on because players ne feel say, baby, omu kono, ombenye sikakesi.
Yeah.
And they say, baby, kono, so benye sikakesi there, and there was oko because he's going to end big. But with Samatex, say, you bet Chiasa Asikano, Kessie and Jama player na. It will be difficult for a Ghanaian club to say, okay, Ali Epeme player, but me Chiama player na day. It's the major key problem, no, Sika. Now, aside that, Ubeko Africa teams nibino, omo beefy up on technical team.
Okay.
Into Ubeko no coaches ni be 4. Ubeko no na a video analyst 4 no be 2. Into just after game na ejuma eso
minim coach you Africa near $100,000 a month so more the CAF Champions League na piso miss money.
Yes, into share investment clubs need be create chiasika omudema. So our bigger problem is money. Look, I show clear say yedi kakere bi shemu kra hwe bi ayeko. The little kakra na yedi shemu no. Share Mediama Sporting Club last year. When Omusio no say no, me for kakra shim na me keep me players. O keep kakra bi Jonathan Soamo, Abdul Fattah Hamidu mo. O keep omu kakra no. Hwe bi omu kodu ye. And so it's always difficult keeping our players because of Sika North Africans, Ediba, Mubabe Puchi best players because I don't know why not doing the CAF Champions League no person oji.
Okay.
Into the budget no son. Sika ode kono son. But hanumo no. Yen to me pompi sika no more. Clubs no into me fire sika no into. Into a basa to me keep coach. Because instructor man we really cap we really MTN Cup. Obeko Africa coach Max Okunedu ko. Adenya we nya offer our South Africa sika no son. Inti oko. And the Ghanaian club ne feel so okay so sika no son obetimi akọ. But with a club like Ali, Zamalek, TP Mazembe, Mo Beka say, ne club ni be participate in Africa na sike bi aba esunti no or be man coach akwa na no anka no kwa be san bi fi up ni technical team but e ba ne talent mutala ye obi e ba ne talent wise ye mbobo no park so I was watching in Swatreman any almost second leg of the CAF Confederation Cup now against Constantine.
Yeah.
Now boy, you know. The only thing they lacked was experience. Experience, they saying, offer in Swatreman team now. Abdurrahman na oyom go king wa Africa mu have a feel of Africa da. First Benjamin Chivanyo CAF Confederation crowd. Almost center back Isaka Mohammed, Eriko Sebusu, Shaibu Idrisu, Onokwa na ni Fikakra, goalkeeper Sabi Ferdinand Aqua, Oko Balak. Just say none of the players ever experience. But he be so. Enti Swatreman Beka say boys will be keep you na. Enti Sanko be keep you for the next 3 years You nim say so almost win the FA Cup na few year. Next year, you will the same boys Ninti and come back qualify for group stage because this time they made it to the second prelims, But able next year, no offer Kesebia Basikano son. Intine was saying Swatreman Jab boys here. Almost so much talent. I who say Omuko Constantine home. Omu just a go to nil. Aye who say they lost in Ghana. Sanka Ghana Omu Peki 2-0 win Bikranka. Omu qualifier because of the 1-0 defeat, But Obekomono, na situation is different. So by next year, we will say key players Nebeko Abdurrahman Benya for Beko, we will say Chivanyo Benya Biobeko, Foster Peto Babet Miako, Sabi Benya De Obeko. And by next year, maybe 6-7 players na omuni na ako. And the Dreams FC, we need echo semi-final. Ejeni Boati niho, Abdulaziz Muni na ako, Kingsley Godfrey Ahene. John Entry. So your problem Nemuntala, it has nothing to do sikana na ababeye major problem. Until say clubs Nebeka said this time, the next 4 years, you perceive ABB African to invest a huge sum of money for your project. Yet me and that will be when I bit me say, you bit me Africa. Now for you to me but one of the days you won't say, you beko ye nimba akubi. But say you be consistent there. Consistency, finance. We have the money. We call Uwiska, Kotoko Uwiska, Media Maku Uwiska, Bukum Chelsea, no Subako Sudan, Akofa Sudan, top player Aba. Said ye, Omutuba Falges no cry, and they cry say a class no because of Sikanti Okra, Obin to be Antono. Into the one say, no, Ako Tanzania. Banka first na, Kakotoko be no as half Okra. If your house be no discarton. But then they your class no person be invest. For instance, Yoruba League how to folk would have to look at other means of recruiting into now if you play and be training because of the kind of work from into now atono. Into a standard no or say Omobeko Africa ko achieve no. Apart from because your other countries no neighbors no and this kakese na ede top players.
Okay. So Mate no asepa. But one other thing Mimi Sao the consistency of the clubs that represent us in the CAF inter-club competition, does it really matter? Because Oshe somewhere in North Africa, you always see the Al-Alis, you see the Zamaleks, Ubehu Rajamo, Ubehu RS Bekenimu. But you know, and that Kotokokwa, it's na hasko, Bekum Chelsea, Baby Femi, Swatreman, Baby Femi. Does it really affect us?
Yes. Years ago, Upayanko, Yechinko, Obuasi Ashanti Gold. Those days, gold fields. Omo called to us in fact in 1997 na Ashanti Gold ako Africa final because that year no normal you're dominant for 3 consecutive years na Ash Gold you're dominant to Africa. If you hold them na House of Folk take it over we say 98 99 2000 no akwa from 97 na anti ono call consecutively in 2000 and utumiji the CAF Champions League. And now, before us, Nikotokobe PC in the CAF Confederation Cup maiden edition final. Now, Oma dominated the young said, Yebesibiano, Kotokobe Champions League, and I has Bibeko Confederation Cup. And they assassin. Now, assassin, because the 2 big clubs, and that first investment, now, not first. Omukuta the first time players we know because those days na quality ni spread here. Quality ni between Hearts and Kotoko.
Okay.
It is a bobo for bi na onimbo ne body a Kotoko ana has better. Obo Olympics na onimbo body a Kotoko ana has na ebe foul. It is season ni be wie no na mo first and second. Na omo akọ Africa. Na omo akọ dominate because oko oman bia na ye kwa amononim kwa ye nim say Barcelona Madrid wo mu a na Valencia bi ana we bi aba be fame. Oko England ye nim dominant no. Oba Egypt, oba South Africa, oko Ivory Coast, oko Algeria. Omu nyina ye nim too dominant no. Omu participating ti omu de ye nim say omu ye constant. E omu ana one team bi aba fame because you need to go 2 consecutive seasons to match the standard. Oko to us 1, 2, 3. But hano Dreams FC akọ confederation is here MTN FA Cup Canadian CAF Confederation Cup. Last 2 years it was Dreams FC. Last year it was a year in Swatraman. This year we was a team for between me Aba Beji. Until also Babe Kwako represented. We was a Premier League no. Opa check the last 4 years. If you has in same ebe call Kotoko, ebe call Mediema, and ebe call Samatex. This year a open. Inti ubeka se quality now spread across all the teams ananka 2 big teams nina yenim se umbo mudia quality no wo mo ho de be bia no umbo quality no wo but this time asesa amande quality now spread so abema other teams no so pay attention na almost who say look we can go all out and win inti say consistency ni mo a success ne emba consistency ni say ni mo a success ne emba until Swatraman akoye also san akobium. Now in the midst of consistency, so you must keep the players because inconsistency maybe omuje na ebia Swatraman omuko Africa by na amaton 8 players omuko na so musa really FA Cup na it will be a new start biom but years ago and yes we don't say Chastela bi o one has wa kwa na wasan sushi camp Kokotoko. Entina inferior no egusu system no gusu jine but and they ban ya hit form wa was say has maniko amidu call media ma onye ko Africa by oko Jonathan Sowa any media ma ko Africa by oko and they key players ni bia ye pese ye hu omo no in fact the last 4 years crowd go king no afi we pe na go king ye season na ogusu wa Ghana amankuna ono pe Jona Abednego Tete just after winning the goal king okoye. The year Okochia Yawano okoye. Ye usitela okoye afina wasamba. Ena Abednego so wasamba. So I was here to keep that consistency in terms of teams and in terms of players. But ni na no mutala ye kan kusia ni se sika.